Hello students. Now formal charge of atom. How to calculate the formal charge of any atom? Its formula of formal charge. Formal charge is equal to total number of valence electron. Total number of valence electron minus total number of lone pair electron minus 1 by 2 total number of bond pair of electron. Total number of bond pair of electron. This is a formal charge formula. Formal charge formula is equal to total number of valence electron minus total number of lone pair of electron minus 1 by 2 into total number of bond pair of electron. In methane molecule CH4, we calculate the formal charge of carbon. First upon students, carbon atomic number 6 and its electronic configuration 2, 4. In carbon having valence electron 4. Now this example which having no presence of lone pair, only presence of 4 bond pair. In this example having only 4 bond pair, no lone pair. So no lone pair electron means 0. Now 1 by 2 into, now in this example there are total 4 bond pair, first, second, third and fourth. Each bond pair give 2 electron, therefore 2 4s are 8. Therefore in this example having total number of bond pair is equal to 8. Now 8 by 2 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore formal charge of carbon is 0. In this example methane molecule, the carbon formal charge of carbon is 0. Now second example, carbon dioxide. Structure of carbon dioxide, C double bond O, double bond O. Now carbon is central atom and there are 2 oxygen peripheral atom. It is a linear molecule. Now we calculate the formal charge of oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen 8. Therefore electronic configuration 2, 6. In oxygen having valence electron 6. Now next lone pair of electron. Both oxygen, look this oxygen, there are 2 lone pair, in this also 2 lone pair. Anyone same answer? In first oxygen having 2 lone pair of electron. Therefore total number of electron 4. Then 2 lone pair means 4 electron. 2 lone pair means 4 electron. 2 lone pair means 4 electron. Then minus 1 by 2 into bond pair of electron. Now double bond means there are total 2 bond pair. 2 2s are 4. Now in this example 6 minus 4, 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 2. Then 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So students, formal charge of oxygen, it is a 0. This is also 0. Now we calculate the formal charge of carbon. Carbon atomic number 6. So valence electron 4. Now there are no lone pair electron present, means 0. Then bond pair, total number of bond pair both side 2 2, 2 and 2, total 4. 4 2s are 8. So students, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So carbon having also formal charge 0, oxygen having also 0. Formal charge in carbon dioxide. In O3 molecule, students, total number of O3 means ozone, first oxygen, second oxygen, and third oxygen. Now formal charge of each oxygen. Now formal charge of first oxygen. Formal charge of first oxygen. Now total valence electron 6. Atomic number 8, therefore 2 comma 6. 6 is the valence electron of oxygen. Now next minus lone pair of electron. First oxygen having total 4 lone pair of electron 1 by 2. Now there are total 2 bond pair, so there are total 4 electron. Now calculate 6 minus 4 minus 2. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So first oxygen having 0 formal charge. First oxygen having 0 formal charge. Now second oxygen, middle oxygen, valence electron 6. Total number of lone pair, there are only one lone pair means 2 electron. 6 minus 2, then 1 by 2 into total number of bond pair. There are total 3 bond pair. Total number of bond pair of electron. Total there are 3 bond pair. 3 bond pair means 6 electron. 6 minus 2 minus 3. 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. So total number of bond pair is equal to plus 1. It gives plus 1. Second oxygen give plus 1. Now first oxygen give 0 and second oxygen give plus 1. Now third oxygen also 6 valence electron. Now there are total 3 lone pair. 3 lone pair means students 6 electron. 6 minus 6 minus 1 by 2 total number of bond pair. There are only one bond pair. One bond pair means students 2 electron. One bond pair means only 2 electron. The 6 minus 6 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. Third oxygen having minus 1 formal charge. Third oxygen having minus 1 formal charge. Now in structure of ozone, this oxygen having 0 formal charge and middle oxygen having plus 1 oxidation formal charge, therefore plus 1, and third oxygen having minus 1. This is the structure of ozone, O3. Structure of O3, ozone. Next, structure of ammonium, NH4. Now in this nitrogen, first we calculate the formal charge of nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number 7, electronic configuration 2, 5. 5 is the valence electron of nitrogen. Now in this structure having no presence of lone pair, therefore 0. Then bond pair, we get total 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 bond pair. 4 bond pair means 8 electron. 4 bond pair means 8 electron. Now 5 minus 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. So it gives plus 1. The formal charge of nitrogen is plus 1. Formal charge of nitrogen is plus 1. It gives NH4 plus. It is a structure of ammonium, NH4 plus. The formal charge of nitrogen is plus 1 and hydrogen 0. We calculate the hydrogen 0. Now hydrogen valence electron 1, no lone pair, 1 by 2, only one bond pair means 1, 1 by 2, 2 upon 2 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So each hydrogen having 0 formal charge. Students, we also calculate the formal charge present in carbonate, in carbon and oxygen. Suppose structure of carbonate. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6. 3 lone pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And upper oxygen having only 2 lone pair. Now this carbon 0 formal charge, this oxygen minus 1 formal charge, this oxygen having also minus 1 charge, and this oxygen having no formal charge. So we get this carbonate having minus 2, CO3 minus 2. This is a formal charge. Now second example, nitrate NO3, nitrogen, C double bond O, double bond O and O. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this oxygen having formal charge minus 1, nitrogen having 0 formal charge, this oxygen having 0 formal charge, and this having formal charge 0. So we get nitrate means NO3 minus 1. Okay, one oxygen having only 1 minus 1 formal charge. Now second example, SO4 sulfate, sulfur double bond O, double bond O, O and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there are 2 oxygen. This oxygen is minus 1 charge, formal charge, and this oxygen also minus 1 formal charge. Therefore sulfate having minus 2, SO4 minus 2 sulfate. We calculate the formal charge by using formula total number of valence electron minus total number of lone pair of electron minus 1 by 2 total number of bond pair of electron.